Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to book a new walk-in patient. From the diary screen, double-click on the desired time slot. Alternatively, click on the New Booking button. Once the Added a Booking screen is opened, complete the necessary fields to make a booking. For a more detailed overview of how to make a booking for new or existing patients, please refer to the Book New Patient or Book Existing Patient user manual links found in this video's description. Click on the Type drop-down menu and select Walk-in. The booking status will automatically be set as arrived since the patient is already present at the practice. Click on the Close button if you would like to exit the Added a Booking screen without saving any changes. An attention pop-up will open advising that unsaved changes will be lost. Click on the Cancel button if you do not wish to lose unsaved changes. Click on the OK button if you would like to discard all changes and return to the diary screen. To proceed with making the booking, click on the Save button once you're satisfied with all the information on the Added Booking screen.